His name? His name is Alvin. They gave me this with his information on there so I can call up and give it the number. And if it's a female, we can call it like Alvinetta. I don't know. Yes! I knew it! He spoke to me. And you'll be surprised how many baby animals or hurt animals, when I'm driving along or walking along, come out to the trail to meet me. Because it knows, it has to know that I love them. So it is a male. You guys can call that top number that's on there that they had, and you can follow up to check on the condition of our little buddy. His name is Alvin. He's a cutie. He just can't open his eyes yet. Do you think his eyes will open up naturally? How long does it take for their eyes to open up? 4 weeks? Okay, so we're like a week away. So abandoned, like he was saying. He's pretty smart. He knew what he was talking about. I love it. We're looking up how much a 4-week-old chipmunk should weigh. 1.2 or 1.5 to 2 ounces. 40 to 60 grams.